How to use Google Classroom. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Launch your preferred browser and search for classroom.google.com. It will redirect you to your Google Classroom. To use your Google Classroom, it is pretty simple. Tap on Join Class in order to use a class code to join a class. You can ask the code with your teacher. If not, and if you want to create a class, select on Create Class, then tap on the tick mark. After which, you'll get the chance to enter the class name, section, subject, and room. After you have created, select on the Create tab. To invite the students or the member of the class, you need to share the class code. Then they can easily enter the code to join the class. You can also upload something about the classroom in this community section, where you can remind them about their assignment, presentation, or pending homeworks. After which, the students can easily communicate with you by leaving a comment with this post. You can also add some of your link, images, or more. This is how you'll be able to communicate with your class members. To review, you can check out the Review tab where you can select a particular class and analyze the activity. To check out the calendar up to the duration of the classes, you can select on all classes or a specific one. In the calendar, it will notify you for how long you have taken the class for. And that is how you use a Google Classroom. It's quick and easy, so make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.